I am happy. I am happy. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. They are my friends. They are my friends. He is tall. He is tall. We are at home. We are at home. It is a cat. It is a cat. You are kind. You are kind. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. The children are noisy. The children are noisy. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking. The weather is cold. The weather is cold. I am tired. I am tired. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. They are from Spain. They are from Spain. He is my brother. He is my brother. We are students. We are students. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. You are late. You are late. The dog is black. The dog is black. The movie is funny. The movie is funny. I was at school yesterday. I was at school yesterday. She was sick last week. She was sick last week. They were happy. They were happy. He was a doctor. He was a doctor. We were in the park. We were in the park. It was a big house. It was a big house. You were right. You were right. The test was easy. The test was easy. The children were playing. The children were playing. My parents were at work. My parents were at work. I have a pen. I have a pen. She has a red car. She has a red car. They have two cats. They have two cats. He has a new phone. He has a new phone. We have a big family. We have a big family. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. You have a nice dress. You have a nice dress. My brother has a bike. My brother has a bike. The house has 3 rooms. The house has 3 rooms. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. She has long hair. She has long hair. They have a lot of books. They have a lot of books. He has a headache. He has a headache. We have English class today. We have English class today. It has a brown door. It has a brown door. You have a beautiful smile. You have a beautiful smile. The dog has a tail. The dog has a tail. My sister has a job. My sister has a job. The restaurant has good food. The restaurant has good food. I had a dog when I was young. I had a dog when I was young. She had a party last weekend. She had a party last weekend. They had a test yesterday. They had a test yesterday. He had a cold. He had a cold. We had pizza for dinner. We had pizza for dinner. It had a broken window. It had a broken window. You had a nice vacation. You had a nice vacation. My parents had a garden. My parents had a garden. The school had many students. The school had many students. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. She had a red dress. She had a red dress. I am hungry because I have not eaten. I am hungry because I have not eaten. She is happy because she has a new job. She is happy because she has a new job. They are sad because they had a bad day. They are sad because they had a bad day. He is strong because he has big muscles. He is strong because he has big muscles. We are excited because we have a trip tomorrow. We are excited because we have a trip tomorrow. It is broken because it had an accident. It is broken because it had an accident. You are lucky because you have good friends. You are lucky because you have good friends. The baby is crying because he has no milk. The baby is crying because he has no milk. My father is busy because he has a meeting. My father is busy because he has a meeting. The students are quiet because they have a test. The students are quiet because they have a test. I was late because I had a problem. I was late because I had a problem. She was happy because she had a gift. She was happy because she had a gift. They were tired because they had no sleep. They were tired because they had no sleep. He was angry because he had a fight. He was angry because he had a fight. We were scared because we had a bad dream. We were scared because we had a bad dream. You were sick because you had a fever. You were sick because you had a fever. The dog was dirty because it had mud. The dog was dirty because it had mud. My sister was sad because she had no money. My sister was sad because she had no money. The room was dark because it had no light. The room was dark because it had no light.